Well, a couple of things really popped out to me on this particular piece. One, the decanter, obviously, it's 1815, so it could have been rye, which was very popular in the Northeast at that time. Could certainly have been cognac or even Madeira. But particularly what was very interesting was the orange and the pineapple. Pineapple, of course, symbol of hospitality for centuries, but really extraordinarily exotic in that time of the painting. But in 1815, also an orange, which we may take for granted now. Citrus was really a luxury good, and it was only at certain times of the year. It was generally reserved for special occasions or for the wealthy. So if somebody was bringing out a cocktail or a drink or a punch with orange, it was a big deal.